Hello and welcome to Alex's Model Kits. This is just a quick video just to keep you up to date with the current model I'm working on, which is the Airfix 1/72nd scale Spitfire Mark 1, which I'm converting to the Type 300 prototype. That Supermarine first flew in, I think, 1936. With the last video I produced, I was talking about this kit and I was talking about the conversion, and I was talking about the fact that I had a problem with the wheels and the wheel coverings, and I've been working on that. Pretty much that's all I've done in terms of this kit since the last video. So let's have a look at how I'm getting on so far. In the previous video I talked about trying to scratch build wheel covers to match the covers used on the original Type 300 prototype. A previous attempt at using filler and then sanding it back had failed, as the filler crumbled if sanded too vigorously. A new approach was needed, and I experimented with creating a thinned down filler. The filler I generally use is perfect plastic putty, which can be cleaned up with water. I decided to add some water to a small amount of putty to create a thinned down solution of filler, and then place this onto the wheel hub. Once dry, the filler did fill a portion of the hub, and so I repeated this several times, allowing each application of thin filler to dry before adding a fresh layer. The end result is close to what I was hoping for, but not as neat as I'd have liked. This is probably due more to my lack of skill than the putty itself. So there you are, some progress, slow progress, but progress nonetheless. I think I'm still working on the technique for thinning down the filler, but I think it works. I think I just need to practice it a bit more. I think with the wheels I've got so far, they are a little bit on the rustic side. It's probably the best way of putting it. I've lost some of the definition between the tyre and the wheel hub itself, but generally speaking, I'm reasonably happy with it. I think I could do with improving it. I've got some spare wheels, which I might look at doing a second version and just seeing if I can improve on what I've got so far, and then take it from there. So I'm hoping that once the wheels are done, pretty much everything on the kit is sorted out. So I then just need to give it a few more coats of paint and then apply the decals. So yes, so there's a small amount of progress, but I'm sure that next time I produce a video for you, there should be a bit more to talk about. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Excuse the slightly nasally voice. It's the hottest day of the year, and I seem to come down with a cold. So what can you say? So yes, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again. Okay, thanks, and goodbye.